This is Bentonville, and this is me showing you how you can spend a day in this beautiful city in Arkansas. And if you're new to my channel, hi, this is Minakshi from Backpacking with my Lens, where I share my travel and food journey, one adventure at a time. I'm on a mission to explore all 50 states of the US, from national parks to quirky towns, iconic eateries to hidden gems. Buckle up and hit that subscribe button to follow my journey across America, one state at a time. Bentonville is a tiny city located near the Missouri-Arkansas border, mainly known for being the headquarters of Walmart. But as I walked through the streets of the historic downtown, I realized there was another side to the city, one that often stays hidden: its artistic soul. Bentonville's heart lies in its charming historic downtown, beautiful, walkable, and full of character. We kicked off our day with some coffee from Airship Coffee, a beloved local roastery inside the Ledger building. This independently owned specialty coffee company was founded in Bentonville, and they have 4 cafes and a roastery across the city. I ordered my go-to caramel latte and I absolutely loved it. The medium roast beans gave it a smooth, rich flavor, and the baristas were incredibly warm and welcoming. It was the perfect way to start a day in Bentonville. After coffee, we took our time strolling through the historic downtown, exploring all the charming local shops. Our next stop was the Walmart Museum, right by the Bentonville City Square. It's one of the best spots to dive into the city's history and get inspired by Sam Walton's entrepreneurial journey. The entry is completely free and it only takes about 45 minutes to explore. What I loved the most was reading about how a small town idea grew into a global brand that was seriously inspiring. And while you're here, don't miss out the original 5 and dime store section. It's the heart of the museum. We spent our time going through all the exhibits and browsing through unique merch in the gift shop. And my favorite part was the custom sticker machine.
What is your greatest fear, Stan?
I'm not sure.
Let me try it another way.
Next, we headed to Crystal Bridges Museum of American Art, and this place was simply stunning. Set in a beautiful forested landscape, it perfectly blends art, architecture, and nature. Even if you're not a huge museum person, you'll love this one. The entry to the museum is free, and you can also avail the free shuttle from the parking lot to the main museum. We were here for a couple of hours exploring the indoor galleries and the outdoor trails. This place was both inspiring and relaxing. If you find yourself in Bentonville, I highly recommend visiting this museum. I've added more details in the blog post, linked in the description box below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such itineraries. For lunch, we stopped at Cici's, a Texas-based all-you-can-eat pizza buffet that we'd been wanting to try for a while. And finding two locations near Bentonville felt like a sign. This was one of my favorite buffet experiences, with 10 plus pizza variety, a salad bar, pasta, soup, soda and even dessert. It felt like a pizza heaven. Watching the chef make pizza live made the experience even better. And what I loved that the slices were smaller in size, so we were able to sample a ton of flavors. And yes, I basically ate an entire 14-inch pizza. Zero regrets. In the evening, we caught a concert at the Momentary by a band called A Man Named Cash, led by the estate chosen singer Eric Hoffmanis. The concert was beautiful, emotional show and instantly brought back memories of our Nashville trip.
Little lower,
Yes, ma'am.
lower.
Yes, ma'am.
Who says you can't train them?
For dinner, we headed to Flavors Indian restaurant, just steps away from our hotel, and relished some comforting Indian food before calling it a day. I can proudly say that Bentonville is one of my favorite cities in the US. It completely surprised us and blew our minds with its Hallmark-style downtown, calm and artistic vibes, and incredibly friendly people. If you're planning a trip to Arkansas and looking for cities to visit, I highly recommend adding Bentonville to your list.